Okay, the back is nowhere near as complex as the front. It's pretty easy. First thing we're gonna do is probably take the shock loose at the bottom, get the bolt out, that's a 17 millimeter, and then we put the rear end up on a jack just to kind of hold it up. So what we'll do is we'll loosen up the U-bolts, get those out of the way, and then we got our block that's gonna sit down. It's gonna sit down on the spring and kind of get us up. And this goes in, just make sure the taper is toward the front of the truck. So we're gonna get that in. We're gonna change out our U-bolts, tighten everything back up, get it all torqued down, torqued up to spec, which will be in the link in the description. So let's get to it. Let's get it done.